So here we are with post-installation. The installation completed, the server rebooted, and it came to this login screen. Had we had the auto log on checkbox selected, it would have logged us right in. But we didn't do that. I was thinking as it was rebooting, even if we had auto login, I still don't think it's a good idea. But when we log in, when you go to do most anything, you still have to provide the root password. So there's 4 things that we're after here. We want to take a look at installing VMware tools, doing software updates, how to set the wallpaper, and how to do network configuration, static network or dynamic network configuration. So let's go for VM tools first. So we've got the Firefox is the default web browser that's installed. So go ahead and bring it up. Got this really cool website. software.openSUSE.org. Okay, this is the coolest thing in Linux. So what we can do here is from this website is about helping us. It's about how to install packages. And so first thing we can do is we can tell us, okay, we're coming to this website using openSUSE Elite 15. That's cool. We don't need development language or debug packages. And now we can go in and search on things. Now, first thing you kind of got to know is, well, what do you search on? I've already checked this out, and what we're looking for is called openvmtools. So let's search on that. You can see our screen is kind of scrunched here. Once we get openvmtools installed, we'll be able to go full screen and get better resolution. That's cut off there, but what it says is desktop, and so you've got the basic tools that we're going to install here, and then you could install a second package that would give you an icon on the desktop that would let you manage the tools. We're just fine. We're just going to go with the tools. The tools are great. Okay, so we come down here and it explains it to us, tells us that this is an open source replacement for VM tools, and then we come down here and we've got a one-click install or a direct install. All right, it says, well, okay, this is the coolest thing. How do we want to do it? We're going to use YAST. YAST is unique to openSUSE. It's a great tool for doing all kinds of stuff. We'll go ahead and say, okay, we want to use YAST, and now it's going to get to work. I'll let the video show as much of this as possible. It may be that all we can do in the video is just get this one, but let's just keep going. So it said that it was going to add a repository here. Okay, it's going to do that. A repository is a resource for where we can go to get packages. It's asking our permission to add a repository. We're okay with that. Okay, have you reviewed the changes that we made? Yeah, we're okay with this. And now we have to elevate. This is a Windows thing. We'd call this elevating. And here we're just providing root authority. This is what I was saying, that even if we'd auto-logged in with root, we still would have had to do this. But I still think not auto-logging in is a good idea. So it's out there now getting the packages that we need. Okay, looks like it's doing good. Alright, it was successful. As we would do on a Windows machine, we would reboot. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video, and we'll come back and reboot, and I'll be able to get a larger screen size, and that'll make for a better presentation.